Today, I'll show you how to turn Playstyle Overhead Indicators on and off on FC25. So as you can see on my player, there's an Playstyle indicator that appears. So this is Mbappe. And to know which playstyle a player has, just pause the game and go to the team management. So for instance, Mbappe, this is the player style, the quick step. That's the one that is being visible on the game. So now to turn it off, this indicator, or to turn on those indicators, go to settings, pause the game rather, sorry, and then go to settings, then select game settings. Within the settings, go to the visual options and scroll down and find Playstyle plus overhead indicators. So to enable it, select on, and to disable it, select off. So once you disable it, the Playstyle indicator will no longer appear on top of the player. So let me show you. Let's select Mbappe. As you can see, the player style is no longer visible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.